I can undo the glassiness. Okay. Now this entire object is there. What I can do is, using this tool, I can explode the object into all pieces possible. Okay. I can reimpose it back again. I can hide a certain object. Glassy allows you to see through. Hides that particular object so that you know how it is happening. I can mark certain objects to show what the grid looks like, what is the side dimensions.
Yeah, dimension.
Okay, I can undo that. I can let's say there's this analyze tool. I can go to the analyze section and hit on this, and it will give me what does the cerebellum is all about. This particular section or the entire software is translatable in your domestic languages. Currently we have it in English, but you can have it in your native language. So this will allow flexibility for teachers to teach students in their native language. Having said this, there is something really important that you need to see for teachers. This is all part that we have for teachers to explain the objects. Now, what is there for teachers? For teachers, we have we have the site section that is purely for teachers. Let's say there is this 3D mode where everything is described in a picture format. Okay, then we have this 3D mode where you can actually see all the models the way you were seeing now in virtual reality. That's in 3D. Okay, then there is this stereoscopic mode where you can wear these glasses. Use this one, sir. Just switched it on.
Oh, you have to see it on.
Yes. And you can see the objects.
Wow.
Very close. I can explode the objects, and you can see the minutest detail of the object in front of your eyes. How close is it to you?
Yeah, very close.
I can bring the object back, so it brings about a wow experience in the students.
Yeah.
This is